This is a patient journey of a middle-aged 50-something gentleman who presented to us in the OPD with a persisting shoulder pain. He had pain, limited movements of the shoulder, which was severely affecting his sleep and daily activities of living. The left shoulder had difficulty in lifting overhead. He was unable to wear clothes, unable to comb his hair, and unable to do his routine office work. We examined him, we evaluated him clinically, radiologically. We got an X-ray and an MRI done, which showed us that his rotator cuff, which are the muscles around the shoulder, had some calcification, that is abnormal calcium deposits, which was causing a lot of pain. He was advised an advanced arthroscopic procedure in which we were able to completely remove the calcification and repair the rotator cuff, which was all done minimally invasive without opening the shoulder. This advanced technique allows us to see the shoulder muscles from inside and remove the calcification for complete recovery. Being a minimally invasive procedure, no external muscles are cut, there is minimal bleeding, and the patient goes home the very next day. This patient went on to have a complete recovery. He had decent full range of motion, no difficulty in lifting arm overhead, minimal pain, and did a lot of exercises to recover his muscle strength, which he had lost because of his calcification. If you are also suffering from shoulder pain, difficulty in movements, or weakness, and have been labeled simply a frozen shoulder or have not got any results with exercises, it is advisable to consult your orthopedic, get an MRI done, and get it treated at the earliest. Thank you.